Are you thinking about starting a new business on your passion or skills? Then you're on the right video. In this video, you will get a list of the 35 best profitable business ideas that you can start in India. So let's get started. Number 1. Social media management. Number 2. Virtual event planning. Number 3. Online tutoring or education. Number 4. E-commerce or dropshipping. Number 5. Personalized meal prep or catering. Number 6. Mobile app development. Number 7. Home cleaning or organization services. Number 8. Health and wellness coaching. Number 9. Translation services. Number 10. Personal styling or fashion consulting. Number 11. Professional organizing. Number 12. Graphic design. Number 13. Social media marketing. Number 14. Resume writing or career coaching. Number 15. Pet sitting or dog walking. Number 16. Blogging or content creation. Number 17. Personal finance consulting. Number 18. Search engine optimization services. Number 19. Website design. Number 20. Virtual interior design. Number 21. Diabetic, sugar-free snack food making business. Number 22. Marketing consulting. Number 23. Event planning. Number 24. Handyman or home repair services. Number 25. Personal training or fitness coaching. Number 26. Gardening or landscaping services. Number 27. Unlimited street food item business. Number 28. Renting out a vacation home. Number 29. Personal chef services. Number 30. Music lessons or instrument rental. Number 31. Adventure travel planning. Number 32. Personal development coaching. Number 33. Home decor or accessories design. Number 34. Online course creation. And Number 35. Data analysis or consulting. If you have any questions or doubts for starting a business or selecting any business ideas, then you can write your thoughts in comments section. Also, watch this video on how to write a business plan for your business.